The Supreme Court has granted Justice Mudgal-led IPL probe panel a 2-month extension. This also meant a severe blow to N. Srinivasan, who cannot return to BCCI till that particular probe is over. The panel is in fact yet to probe cricketers named in the secret envelope and had sought extension to complete their probe.
It's a big blow for ICC chairman N. Srinivasan's return as the BCCI president, with the Supreme Court granting a 2-month extension to the IPL probe committee. While doing so, the Supreme Court also rejecting N. Srinivasan's plea of reinstatement. By refusing the CSK boss's plea, it directed the IPL probe panel to file an interim report on N. Srinivasan.
Court strictly has said that you finish your job in 2 months. If you can give something within the 2 months, it's okay. Otherwise, you finish your job in 2 months. And 10th of November is the next date for hearing, when the report, hopefully the final report of the Mudgal Commission will be submitted to the Supreme Court.
Sources say N. Srinivasan was in touch with his legal team since morning, closely monitoring the developments at the Supreme Court. His legal team argued that there was nothing incriminating against N. Srinivasan in the Mudgal Committee's report, and hence his name has to be cleared.
It's a setback for Srinivasan, who was aiming to get re-elected at the BCCI's AGM, scheduled in the last week of September. But the extension of the IPL probe committee has thrown a spanner into his plans.
Well, the Indian team will be aware of this crucial recent development and will know that one of the implications will be that they will be questioned once they reach India. The focus for now, however, will be on the game, and they will hope that they continue with their winning performance.
With no comments made in the interim report, the Apex Court rejecting N. Srinivasan's plea, further denting the CSK boss's chances of returning at the helm of BCCI as its president. Bureau Report, Times Now.